In this video, I'll show you how to connect Figma to Lovable AI step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable website at lovable.dv. On the website, navigate to the Resources or Videos section. Lovable provides official tutorials that explain how to connect integrations, including Figma. Look for the Figma integration tutorial and open the guide. Follow the steps shown in the Lovable documentation to connect your Figma account. You may need to log in to your Figma account and authorize the connection. After authorizing access, Lovable will be able to use your Figma designs inside your project. This allows you to transform design layouts into functional applications more easily. Make sure to review the integration settings to confirm everything is connected correctly. Once the integration is complete, you can start using Figma files directly inside Lovable AI.